Today we're out on Armstrong Connector in South Lake Tahoe, California. This is one of my all-time favorite trails. It's got tech, flow, plenty of optional features, and the views are absolutely stunning. The Caldor fire ripped through this area about 3 years ago. All of the trees are burned, as you can see, but it is good to see new vegetation popping up. I would like to express my gratitude for the Tahoe Area Mountain Bike Association. They have done an amazing job rebuilding these trails. Thank you, Tamba. There are a couple of sections on this trail where I always seem to end up in the wrong line. Today's focus is picking the right lines and clearing those sections. I hope you enjoy the views and the ride. Let's go. All right, I have my first front wheel washout, so that's good. It was under control, so I know I'm going a little bit faster, which is good. Yeah, I'm not going to be hitting that drop yet. I'll go down one gear. Yeah, that sounds good. This is it right here. Stay right. And right up that. And then right over that. Yes. That was clean. Very nice. I'm not going to hit that drop. I'm going to celebrate my win. This one rolls. Ooh, it's gotten a lot softer in the last couple days. Wow. First optional line, stay right. Section optional line is really just a little blooper. A little handlebar scrape on that rock back there. Let's see. I'm gonna go for that tree line. Now I'm gonna go straight up here.
Yep. Yep, right there. All right. And this one here, stay left. Yep. Oh, this trail is the best. Huck into flat. That's what it's all about. The best. I love that trail.